How to manage font size settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage font size settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then here you will find font size. Click on it, and then just if you want to make it small, click here, and as you see, font size have been changed, and and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.